Carolina, it was sunny, with a temperature of 71 at Greenville, Spartanburg, and 73 at Greenwood. At Charleston, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 75. At Columbia, it was cloudy, with a temperature of 70. Once again at 11 a.m., at the Rock Hill Airport, it was 71 degrees and sunny. In Charlotte, it was 71 degrees and mostly sunny. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. This is the National Weather Service office at Greenville in the upper 70s. The preceding northeast wind at 5 miles an hour. WXL 70's public warning system. Lows in the mid-50s. Potentially dangerous weather situations around. Specially built receivers can be The preceding signal was a test of weather radio station KHC-27's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station KHC-27, broadcasting near Rock Hill on a frequency of 162.425 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Cherokee, Chester, Fairfield, Lancaster, Union, and York. And in North Carolina, Cleveland, Mecklenburg, and Union. This concludes the NOAA Radio All Hazards Torn Alert test. Service forecast for Rock Hill and vicinity. Today, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-50s. East winds around 5 miles an hour.